Hey everyone, in today's connected world, your PC is more exposed than ever. Phishing emails, fake software updates, or even public Wi-Fi can let hackers in. So how do you check if your PC is hacked? Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Press Windows plus R, type MRT, and hit Enter. This opens the Microsoft Malicious Software Removal tool, built right into Windows. Click Next, and you'll see three options: Quick Scan, Full Scan, and Custom Scan. Choose Quick Scan for a fast check. It'll search your system for common malware. If threats are found, they'll be listed and removed automatically. If nothing is found, great, but it's still worth running a full scan later when you have time. Step 2. Press Windows plus R again, type NetPwiz, and hit Enter. This opens the User Accounts window. Review all listed users on your PC. If you see a name or account you don't recognize, that could mean someone has created unauthorized access. Select it and click Remove to block it immediately. Step 3. Open Settings, search for Startup Apps, and click on it. You'll see a list of programs that automatically launch when your PC starts. Look through carefully. If you spot anything unfamiliar or software you never installed, toggle it off. This helps prevent suspicious programs from running in the background without your knowledge.